What is up, everybody? My name is DDHD Assassin, and I am here with the lovely Chicken Flak Army and the trainees. I guess you could call them trainees. These are the full-blooded Chicken Flak Army members. You see, you're full grown. Yeah, you are. You're full grown. Look at you, my baby girl. This one is absolute sweetheart. Come here. She is a sweetheart. Trust me. She sits on my lap all the time. Guys, one of my this is not gonna be good news at all. One of my guineas died. If I already said this, then you already know. Skip past it. One of my guineas died because I guess like an egg came out of it, and like the insides of stuff came out of it. Sorry if you guys were eating. Yeah. The next video I'm probably gonna be in another location. That's because I'm going to be on vacation. Yeah. I'm gonna be on vacation doing some videos. The stuff that you can see, I will do. Stuff I can take my phone on. We were spending 4 nights in a hotel. Not gonna exactly say where I'm at, because I don't want to be raped. Bruh. Okay. There's the girls. I'm sorry if I was like off camera for a little bit. You guys probably seen some things. I'm sorry if I was off camera because that keeps happening. I'm not stopping. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna see you guys here later. And oh. Also over here, just a quick update on the little girls, my baby girls, the little ones, you know. I'm gonna show you guys how these guys are doing. For some reason, they keep wanting to roost in trees. I don't know why. Hello, there's a little Legrin. There they are. I wonder where Bella is. Bella! Where'd you go, man? Where'd you go, little girl? What's the matter? There you are, little Legrin. This isn't Bella, this is Rose. There's Skitties and Ella over there. Let's go try to find Bella. Bella is one of the bigger chicks. I wonder where she wandered off to. I just saw her walk go. Okay, you guys get the picture. See you guys later. Yeah. Bean Boozled is coming. I don't know how soon, but it just depends on if my friend wants to do it or not. I'm doing it no matter what. If I have to find someone else, then okay. I don't really care if he does it or not. But I'd really like for him to do it because I haven't done many videos with him. If I have to, I'll get my papa or something to do it. I'll have to convince him because he does not like them beans at all. I don't like them either. I've tasted them before. Doing it again is like going to war, dude. Not even joking. It's horrible. Like, it's literally like you're fighting Godzilla. Doing it again. It's like you're fighting Godzilla. I might be overreacting there a little bit, but see you guys later. Say bye. Say bye. I swear, she's an absolute sweetheart. Say bye, guys.